The daughters told the committee that last May they wanted to make sure the man who murdered their mother didn't have an early release date. And when they searched for him online and they couldn't find him, they were afraid of what had happened. James Covington was convicted of murdering his girlfriend in Somersworth back in 1999. The body of Deborah Duncan was discovered in a Massachusetts cemetery. Covington filed a petition to legally change his first name, saying he wanted a fresh start. That petition was granted by a court. Today, a Senate committee heard testimony on a bill that would make it more difficult for those convicted of violent felonies or crimes against children to change their names. It would require a compelling reason for the name change, in addition to notifying prosecutors and victims about the petition. The concern by supporters of the bill is that the name change would allow criminals to escape their past, and the current system leaves victims out of the loop, something Deborah Duncan's daughters say happened to them.
This man doesn't deserve to move on from his past and have a second chance at life as a new man, leaving his criminal record in the past.
In the case of Covington, the state went back to court to get the name change reversed. But supporters of the measures in this bill say if it's enacted, that wouldn't have to happen and the victims would be safer. In Concord, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.